Yah, and Myver Nutrition, Nature's Medicine, the science, wisdom, and healing power of papaya seeds. Introduction. In every era of human civilization, nature has been the quiet, patient healer. She never advertised herself, never demanded attention, never pushed her remedies into pharmacies or hospitals. Yet the greatest medicines that support human life still grow from the soil, the trees, the fruits, the seeds, and the plants around us. Today, humanity is rediscovering a forgotten truth. Food is not just energy. Food is information. Food instructs your cells. Food activates your healing intelligence. And among the most underrated medicinal foods is something most people throw away without a second thought: papaya seeds. This lecture is a deep dive into the science, research, medicinal power, safety, dosage, and healing potential of papaya seeds, especially for the liver, kidneys, gut, inflammation, and whole body detoxification. Let us begin this journey into nature's pharmacy. Part 1. What are papaya seeds? A scientific overview. Papaya seeds are the small, round black seeds found inside the fruit Carica papaya. They contain an extraordinary density of nutrients and bioactive compounds, including polyphenols and flavonoids, benzyl isothiocyanate, proteolytic enzymes, alkaloids, carotenoids, monounsaturated fatty acids, particularly oleic acid. These compounds are responsible for powerful antiparasitic, antiviral, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, liver protective, kidney protective, metabolic benefits. Papaya seeds are one of the most concentrated nature's medicine capsules found in a common fruit. Part 2. Scientifically proven benefits of papaya seeds. 1. Papaya seeds and gut health, the foundation of all health. The gut is the root of immunity, hormones, mood, energy, and detoxification. Papaya seeds have a dramatic impact on gut health, anti-parasitic power, clinically proven. A landmark clinical study showed that papaya seeds eliminated over 75% of intestinal parasites in children within 7 days, without side effects. Why? Because papaya seeds contain benzyl isothiocyanate, which kills parasites, destroys parasite eggs, inhibits harmful gut microbes. This makes papaya seeds powerful for bloating, gas, constipation, abdominal pain, poor digestion. Enzyme support. Their natural enzymes improve protein digestion and reduce digestive sluggishness. Microbiome balance. They support beneficial bacteria while reducing harmful organisms, without acting like harsh antibiotics. 2. Papaya seeds and liver health. The liver is the master chemist of the body, detoxifying blood, metabolizing fats, breaking down toxins, producing enzymes, and storing vital nutrients. Modern life damages the liver through alcohol, junk food, fatty liver, infections, medication, toxicity, metabolic syndrome. Papaya seeds offer significant liver protective effects, proven across animal and cell studies. A. Anti-fatty liver effects. Papaya seeds reduce the accumulation of fat inside liver cells. This benefits non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, early alcoholic liver stress, liver inflammation caused by poor diet. The compounds that help include oleic acid, benzyl isothiocyanate, phenolic antioxidants. They work by improving lipid metabolism and preventing fat storage. B. Hepatoprotective, liver-protecting action. Scientific studies show papaya seed extract protects the liver from alcohol-induced damage, paracetamol/NSAID-induced toxicity, oxidative stress from chemicals. Liver enzymes, ALT/AST, improve significantly, indicating reduced inflammation. C. Oxidative stress reduction, the key to reversing liver damage. Papaya seeds are rich in flavonoids, polyphenols, and antioxidants that neutralize free radicals. This reduction of oxidative stress allows the liver to regenerate, repair tissues, function efficiently, prevent further degeneration. D. Enhanced detoxification pathways. Papaya seed components support phase DANU1 and phase DAQUL2, detox enzymes, improving the liver's ability to process toxins, chemicals, hormonal waste, pollutants. This leads to higher energy, clearer skin, better digestion, reduced inflammation. But a critical clarification: papaya seeds should not be used in advanced liver disease. Avoid papaya seeds in liver cirrhosis, end-stage fatty liver, severe hepatitis, ascites, fluid retention, very high bilirubin or liver enzymes, liver failure. Why? Because a severely damaged liver cannot safely metabolize strong phytochemicals, which may worsen the burden. For early to moderate liver stress, however, papaya seeds are safe and beneficial. 3. Papaya seeds and kidney health. Kidneys are the filters of your bloodstream. They regulate electrolytes, remove toxins, control blood pressure, and maintain acid-base balance. Papaya seeds offer benefits similar to liver protection. A. Anti-inflammatory protection for kidney cells. Chronic inflammation is the silent destroyer of kidneys. Papaya seeds reduce inflammatory markers, protect filtration units, glomeruli, support normal fluid balance. B. Antioxidant protection. Kidney cells are highly vulnerable to oxidative damage. Papaya seeds neutralize free radicals and prevent the death of kidney cells. C. Support for filtration function. Early kidney stress, caused by diabetes, hypertension, or toxins, responds well to papaya seed antioxidants. People report improvements in urine output regulation, reduced swelling, lower creatinine in borderline cases. Important clarification: when not to use papaya seeds for kidney issues, papaya seeds must not be used in advanced kidney disease. Avoid in CKD stage 4, CKD stage 5, dialysis patients, very high creatinine urea, severe electrolyte imbalances. Why? Because the kidneys cannot handle the detox load, and strong phytochemicals may worsen metabolic burden. For early kidney stress, however, papaya seeds can be beneficial when used correctly. 4. Papaya seeds and metabolism, inflammation, and weight control. Anti-inflammatory action reduces chronic disease risk. Antioxidants slow biological aging, improve insulin sensitivity, reduce LDL cholesterol, increase HDL, improve artery elasticity. 5. Papaya seeds and anti-cancer. Potential laboratory studies show papaya seed extract slows cancer cell growth, reduces metastasis potential, induces apoptosis, self-destruction in cancer cells, especially in prostate, breast, colon, liver cancer cell lines. This is due to isothiocyanates, known anti-carcinogens. Part 3. How to consume papaya seeds safely. Fresh raw seeds. For general health, 3 to 5 seeds per day. For digestive cleansing, short-term only, 8 to 10 seeds, half teaspoon, per day for 7 days. Then take a 7-day break. May repeat only 2 cycles. Dried seeds, powder, more potent. General health, 1/4 teaspoon per day. Short-term detox, 1/2 teaspoon per day for 7 days, then take a break. Never use continuously for months. Seed extract capsules. Usually 250 to 500 milligrams per day, depending on manufacturer. Always check labels. Important safety notes. Avoid during pregnancy. Avoid when trying to conceive, temporary contraceptive effect. Avoid in advanced liver and kidney disease. Avoid in active stomach ulcers. Stop if stomach irritation occurs. Always begin with small doses. Do not take daily for long periods. Conclusion. In the modern world, people run behind complicated treatments, expensive diagnostics, and advanced medicines while ignoring the fact that nature has always been the first doctor. Your body is not designed to heal from chemicals alone. Your body heals through nutrition, nature, balance, removal of toxicity, reduction of inflammation, restoration of natural rhythms. Papaya seeds are a small but powerful reminder of the healing intelligence built into nature and built into you. They support the gut, detoxify the liver, assist the kidneys, reduce inflammation, balance metabolism, and restore vitality when used correctly. But the greatest message they teach us is this: healing begins when you stop treating food as entertainment and start treating food as medicine. Healing begins when you reconnect with nature. Healing begins when you take responsibility for your inner terrain. Let this lecture serve as an invitation to return to nature's pharmacy, where powerful medicines grow quietly, freely, abundantly, waiting to heal those who seek wisdom. Holistic Wellness Foundation. IMFEL. Healing Beyond Boundaries.